In this video, we are going to see how we can stay updated with the latest updates of Indicate. As we can see that Indicate is regularly updated, and in order to take pull into our own repository, we have to follow this guide. So first we need to create this origin. Let's paste it in our terminal. If you are using multi-tenant kit, then you have to write this. Then we have to run this command. After that, we can pull changes from the Indicate main repository using this command. Let's paste it. But before taking the pull, make sure your local repository is clean and there are no changes to be committed. So let's commit the changes that I have made. Then I can come to my terminal and take the pull. Here we can see that we have a merge conflict and we have to solve this merge conflict, and you can use this particular video to see how we can solve the merge conflict. In our case, only one file has the merge conflict, so let's fix it. So I fixed the merge conflicts. Now let's click on commit. Now our local Indicate is using latest version of Indicate.